First, select the default cube, and press X to delete it. Then, press Shift+A to add a new plane. Select the plane, and press Tab to enter the edit mode. Press S and X to scale the plane in X-axis. Hold Ctrl while scaling to scale the plane precisely, locking to the grid. Then press E and extrude the plane in Z-axis. Now press Ctrl+R to make a loop cut, and left-click twice to lock it in place. Then press Ctrl+B to bevel the loop cut. Once again, press Ctrl+R to make another loop cut perpendicularly. Again, press Ctrl+B to bevel the loop cut, dividing the corners equally. Again for the third time, press Ctrl+R and scroll up the mouse wheel to make 2 loop cuts. Make sure you divided the rectangle as shown here, before moving forward. Now press 3 to enter face select mode. Hold Shift and select all the faces you want to extrude. Press E and extrude the faces in Z-axis. Finally, press Tab to enter the object mode. Now, let's add some modifiers to make the edges rounded. First, add a bevel modifier to make the edges rounder. Set the segments to 2 and amount value to 0.5 meters. Next, add subdivision surface modifier and set levels to 2. And this makes the edges much more rounder. Now press Tab to enter edit mode to make a few corrections. Click on the object and press A to select all. Click the small arrow on the top right or press N to open item properties. Increase the mean bevel weight to 1. And change the limit method to weight in bevel modifier. Then, open profile properties and increase the shape value to 1. These last 2 steps must have corrected any imperfections in the object mesh and made it look cleaner. Now press Tab to enter object mode. Right-click on the object and click Shade Smooth. This will make the object mesh smoother. Again, press Tab to enter the edit mode. Now let's make 3 seat cushions. Hold Shift and select the faces of the first seat. And press Shift+D to duplicate, and right-click to lock it in place. Repeat the same for the other 2 seats as well. Now, select the faces of all 3 seats. Now, press E to extrude. Make the seat cushion as thick as you like. Now let's make the legs. First, press the tilde key that lies below the escape key and choose bottom view. Then, select all the corner faces. And press Shift+D to duplicate them and right-click to lock them in. Now, go to the normal view using the middle mouse button. Keep the faces selected and press E to extrude the legs. Now click on the object and press A to select all, and increase the mean bevel weight to 1. Finally, press Tab to enter object mode. And press Shift+A to add a plane for the floor. Then press S to scale the plane. And press G and then Z to move the plane in Z-axis. Now, let's set up the camera. Press numpad 0 to enter camera view. Now, click the lock symbol to lock in the camera view. Adjust the viewing angle using the middle mouse button. Click the lock symbol to release the camera view lock. Now, click the rendered button in the top right corner to enter the render preview mode. Let's set up the lighting now. First, select the light and press Delete to delete the default light. Press Shift+A and add an area light. In the light properties, set the power to 700 watts and size to 10 meters to soften the light. Keep the light selected, and press G then Z to move the light upwards. Move it until it lights up your object properly. Now, let's add the object materials. Select the object, and open Material Properties tab. And click on New to add a new material. And set the base color to any color you like. I'm setting it to light yellow. Let's change the seat color. To do so, select the object and press Tab to enter the edit mode. Place the cursor over the seats and press L to select each seat. And place the cursor over the legs and press L to select the legs as well. Keep the seat and legs selected, and press the plus symbol to add a new material slot, and click the Assign button, and click on New to add the second material. This allows you to add different colors to different parts of the object. I'm adding a cream yellow color to the seats and legs. Press Tab to enter object mode. Click on the floor to select it, and press New to add a new material. Set the base color to your liking. I'm adding a coffee brown color to the floor. Press numpad 0 to enter the camera view. And finally, let's render this. Open the Render Properties tab, and set the render engine to Cycles. The Cycles render engine gives you a better quality output. Set the device to GPU compute if you're not broke. Decrease the max samples to 50 to speed up the render. Open the render menu and click Render Image. You can see the render progress at the bottom. Once the render is finished, click on Image menu and click Save As. Choose any folder and enter the output file name. And click Save as Image. Now, to save the project file, open the File menu and click Save As. Choose any folder and enter the output file name. And finally click Save As button. That's it for today. Try experimenting with the process you learned here, and make your very own minimalist couches. Thanks for watching.